Hey y'all, I have no idea if I'm in the picture here. I'm just going to do a quick shot here. Come on out here to let the chickens go this morning. And I want to show you something. Now this hen's been sitting, that's why she's not in the coop. But I want to show you something here. How she got in my little compost bin, I have no clue. Now she can't get out. Anyway, I come on outdoors and here she was a-clucking away. And she said, "Let me out of here." She must have flown on over. The cage is close to 4 foot tall. And it's only maybe 30, 36 inches in diameter. I don't know how she got in there. But anyway, I can't hold the camera and show you me catching her and getting her on out of there. So anyway, just thought I'd show you that. How did you get in there, girl?